Hey guys, so this is the look that I'm going to teach you how to do today. I hope you guys like it and keep watching. Okay, so I primed my eyes really quickly and I just took normal concealer and put it on. So I'm going to take Sweetheart. We're going to put it all over the lid. We're going to take this pink color from the HudaBeauty Electric Obsessions and mix it, blend it out. Taking some of that orange color that's right above it on the same palette, putting it over it just so it can give it a little bit of an orange tint. Okay, we're gonna go with Love Letter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so now we're gonna go right there and we're gonna deepen it up. So I'm gonna go with Punk. So once you have it right here, start building it up or blending it upwards. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops that I usually put as my highlight. I'm gonna put it as my eyeshadow. And this is gonna enhance the pink shimmer that we're gonna put on top of this. I'm gonna take Steady from the Urban Decay palette. I'm gonna put it on top of that enhancer drops that we put. So from here to there, which is like 3/4 of the lid. I'm gonna take some of that Champagne Pop from the BECCA palette and put it right on the lid. I'm gonna reapply those colors that we had on the top. Okay, so now we're gonna work under the eye, and it's pretty much the same thing. We're gonna take that pink color and put it all over the lid. Now we're gonna put the purple, the Punk right here, the edge. From here to here, put some concealer under, just so the color can stick. So now we're just gonna blend it. I'm gonna go do my lashes. I'm gonna clean out any fallout that I have under my eye, and I'll show you the finished look. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know if you want to see any more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If anybody was wondering, I'm using the velour lashes.
Super hot.
Freaking hot. It's freaking hot.
Ooh, look at those shoes.